Hey guys, welcome back. So on this DIY hair mayonnaise today, we are going to be needing some fresh eggs. Here I'll be using 2 fresh eggs. Eggs are proteins, and proteins are responsible for growth and our general well-being, which includes our skin and our hair. Eggs in hair care formulation helps to strengthen the strands and follicles of hair. It helps to weaken tangled strands, and it helps to give a shine on the hair. So the next ingredient we'll be using here is our apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar will act as an antioxidant. It will act as a preservative for this recipe, and it will also act to give your hair an extra shine. And you can also substitute this with lemon extract. Now we're going to get our oils. Here is a mix of several hair oils and herbs. I have castor oil here, which is the main ingredient, which is the main oil. I also have neem oil. I have black seed oil, fenugreek oil, and I also have chebe infused oil to this. Here is about 200 ml of oil mix, and our egg measured about 100 ml from both fresh eggs that was used. So after this, we're going to simply introduce our immersion blender, and we're going to blend this until it is emulsifies. Hair mayonnaise is a hair formulation that is used to give the hair an extra shine, to loosen tangled hair, to strengthen hair strands and follicles, and to give the hair a healthy look. This particular recipe will also aid in hair growth because of the egg protein and because of the several hair oil and herbs that was infused into this recipe. Also, when you're using your hair mayonnaise, ensure that you apply it deeply on the scalp and also on the hair strands, after which you cover with a shower cap, or you plait in strands, infused strands, and leave till the next day. Wash out the next day and apply your other hair products on your hair. You would see the difference that the hair mayonnaise have caused over time, because you will feel the strength of the strands of the hair once again, and you will feel the healthy look of the hair after you've washed out your hair mayonnaise from your hair. I used 100 ml of eggs and 200 ml of oil for this recipe because I want a lighter consistency of my hair mayonnaise. If you want a thicker consistency, you can keep adding more oils until you get your desired thickness. Ordinarily, you would use 3 times the measure of egg for oils before you could get the normal mayonnaise thickness. But for this, I used 2 times the measure of egg to give me this light thickness. This is how I just want my hair mayonnaise to be, so I'm okay with this consistency. You can go ahead to add some drops of essential oils to this before turning into your recycled container. I'm using my lotion container because of the thickness, because it is light. If I achieved a thicker thickness, I would use a cup instead of a lotion container because it might not be able to come out from a lotion container. So therefore, a cup would be preferable. So this is my hair mayonnaise, and I hope you love this recipe. If you do, please help to give this video a thumb up, subscribe to this channel, follow us on our social media platforms, leave any questions for us under the comment section, and please, I would love to see you in my next video. For now, take care and bye.